Enjoy maximum signal quality and durability with our SAT cable, thanks to premium materials, outstanding build quality, and a precision-made design. Use it for receiving terrestrial, satellite, or cable TV in HD quality as well as radio. The entire copper cable is shielded end-to-end with a multi-layer aluminum-Mylar foil and tightly woven copper braiding. These protect it from interference while ensuring the cable remains super flexible, minimum bend radius 2 inches. Our satellite cable's F connectors are protected by a robust sleeve made of break-proof metal, plus their reinforced internal design protects the high-purity copper conductors. 36 months manufacturer warranty. Connect your TV, SAT receiver, radio receiver, digital terrestrial, DVB-T, antenna, or your satellite wall outlet, including your router to your wall outlet for some internet connections, with our coaxial satellite cable, F connectors, 75 ohm. Top reviews from the United States. Immediately improved my speeds. Don't upgrade your routers and modems and continue to use cheap cables. This made greater than 100 Mbps difference in my streaming speeds.